Here. And I thought, you know what's associated with alcohol on St. Patrick's Day? Other than DWIs and your driving, burps. That's why for this St. Patrick's Day, because I forgot, I was originally going to do a King Kong review. The movie King Kong, because it's called Island, came out last year. But, here we go. Here's me doing people's catchphrases in burps. Burping them catchphrases. No. Anyway. Jessica. Good morning. Yeah. It's not a catchphrase, but it's likely there. But that's my spaghetti. I still have some burp stuff in there. Yeah. Ugh. I drink a lot of water to do those. That's all I can think of. So, alright. You might never do. That's like my kill the hummus and bye.